Hey, what's going on? It's Am Beowulf. Man, interesting video for today. I have an iPhone X. I don't know if my viewers have iPhones or, Samsung Galaxies or, whatnot. But I got the iPhone X. I do a lot of extreme stuff. So right now I'm using the Pelican case that I've been using since I got the iPhone X back in, I think, like April when I picked up the phone. And I've been it's a nice case, but I want to get in something better that's more into my adventure lifestyle, a little bit more extreme, in case I drop it or something happens. Because with the Pelican case, I dropped my phone. So originally when I bought the phone, I got some screen protector that I got at the AT&T store. And I dropped my phone really bad once, and then it had a crack. I thought I cracked the screen of my phone. I was freaking out because the iPhone X, it's not cheap to replace the screen on it. And when I went to the Apple store, it only cracked just the screen protector, which I was like, oh man, unbelievable. And Apple put their own screen protector that they cut out or whatever, put on the phone. Now I've been just searching. And I think I found the case that's gonna work for what I'm doing. I want something that's military grade. Not a company saying it's military grade, like the actual military are using it. That's the kind of stuff I want to have, to know that my phone won't break. It's a big investment having the phone. I use it to take a lot of my photos with, whatnot. And especially when you're out there, the hard thing is to find a phone that's waterproof. This case I'm going to show you is not really waterproof, but it's a little bit better than what the Pelican case. Let me show you. All right, so this is the Pelican case that I have. And it works good. The only thing is it's kind of plastically rubbery. You just give it a little push and the phone will start coming out of the case. And yeah, so I kind of want something a little bit better. This is my other phone. It's an iPhone 7. So this is like a life-proof case. And to just show you what I kind of go through, you can totally tell the screen's scratched. I don't know if it can really see, but the screen's scratched and it's starting to come apart. And this is one that's life-proof. So it kind of gives you an idea of what you're kind of shopping, what you're looking at. So I really put these phones through. I've had this one for a couple of years, so I'm really putting this phone through the paces. This phone is 10 times better than the old iPhone 7. So what I'm going to do is get rid of the Pelican case. And the case I found is this company called Juggernaut Case. Now, not like Juggernaut, X-Men Juggernaut.
Juggernaut.
Stop or we'll shoot!
Ooh, I'm scared. I better run.
Open fire! Cease fire!
And no, not Modern Warfare Juggernaut.
Be advised, heavily armored ground forces are being deployed by the enemy.
This is Juggernaut. This is their impact case. The crazy thing is you can get accessories where this could be vehicle mounted, you could put in your own personal vehicle, but actually military vehicles use it. And they even have it too where this case is some attachment if you had a plate carrier and then the phone hooks into there. They have it where you could mount this phone case on your wrist, on your leg. It's crazy the cases they got for this thing. I mean, it's all different things because they got one that's a totally different case than the Impact, but that's more Samsung products. I'm not sure why they didn't come out with that kind of case for iPhones and whatnot, but you can totally tell this is kind of rubbery. This comes out so you can plug it in. And the cool thing is, so this is the top. I already pushed it off with my keys, but the cool thing is the phone slips into this. It's not like you're pushing into it, it's slipped into it. So it's really gonna give you, and you can see with the plastic, I mean, it's thick plastic that's in it. Also too, they come in a bunch of different colors. I think there's black, silver, this is the coyote color. I pretty sure there's a white. I don't know. They come in a different. I went the coyote color. That's kind of like what I like. And I think this fits with the iPhone XS. Because they're pretty much like the same size phone. And then I think they got the iPhone X. It's a little bit bigger too. And I think they got one out for that. But yeah, so this is the case. And it's made in the US too. USA. So I think that's kind of cool. Then like, I don't know if this case is made in the USA or whatnot. And you can tell like, this thing's kind of gotten beat up too. So I mean, I really put my phone cases through the test. I mean, it's gotten scratched up, whatnot. And it gets like slight protection, but just not enough. So I got this case, so let me put it in here and I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, so this is my old case, and you can tell it just kind of, look at it. It just, you kind of give it a little push, the phone's out of there.
I'm not sure I understand.
No, it's nothing to understand. So I got a clean cloth here. I'm just going to give it a good wipe down before I stick it inside there. Because I don't know what kind of stuff has gotten into that Pelican case. Which I have to say, the Pelican case is a nice case, but they're like pretty much the same price. That's what the crazy thing is. And I think you're getting with the Juggernaut case a lot more for your money than what you would get with the Pelican case. So I got my phone all cleaned up. This case too is crazy. It's $50. And same with this one. But look at, see all that stuff that gets in there? It's like dust, whatnot. This is $50. Alright, so just look at this, just slides. Give it a little force. And see, it's nice with the little pieces in there. It really gets it in there. I think it's a little hard to put in because I got a screen protector on it. Yeah. There we go. You got little air bubbles from the screen protector. But look at it, it's in there. And you might not have to do a screen protector on it. Mine has it, and it was a little tighter to get it in there, but it did fit. And let's see, because you can see the little air bubbles. I can push that stuff out later. But yeah, this is pretty awesome case. See, then this part comes out from underneath there. It's a nice thing too. See, look at it. It even has it where you charge the phone and whatnot. It goes into there, so that actually gives you another protection of nothing getting like debris or whatnot getting caught in there. So it's pretty nice. Yeah, look at that. Man, awesome fit. So here's the other piece. Let me give it a little wipe down before I snap it in. Look at that. Totally, like, it gives you a better grip too with holding the phone, but I mean, wow. Gives it a pretty cool thing too. I have to say, this is probably one of the coolest phone cases I've ever bought. And for $50, come on, you can't beat this one bit. But take a look, Juggernaut case, and take a look at the attachments that you could hook this onto. It's unbelievable. And I have to say, I'm happy with this. Because I was kind of worried with this case, with going like jet skiing, there was no protection here. And when you put it even, like, see, you have on, like, for example, the RXT-X. Here, you got an area where you can put your phone in there. And I was always worried with having this case of, water, or, anything. Because you don't always have to charge it when you're in there. It's Bluetooth with the speakers. So if your phone's fully charged, that's what's nice, is you don't have anything getting in there, and it's totally protecting it. And yeah, it's an awesome investment thing too. But this basically gives you a good comparison. Here's the life proof the Juggernaut case, and the Pelican case. And see, it's like hard here, but see, it's flexible rubber, like rubbery in the top. So yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with this case. I was wanting to get one of these cases for my iPhone 7, or I'm going to upgrade the phone. I'm not sure. But I was going to order one of their cases for this because it's kind of due, but I want to see what it's like. And I'm telling you, I'm not getting paid for this. And I'll have to tell you, this case is really worth the money, and you should take a look at it. JuggernautCase.com. But they have other cases, like I said, for other phones, even iPads, which is pretty, tablets and stuff, which is pretty cool. Take a look at them. But I hope this helps my viewers, or if somebody is new that's never seen my channel. Like, I do a lot of Sea Doo stuff, and it's actually nice too, because like when you put it in the other jet ski, it has a different compartment in there, and it kind of flops around, and it gets a good protection with the phone too, especially water can get in that other one with the RXP-X. So take a look at them, and I hope this helps some people too if you already have the iPhone X, and they have them for other iPhone models, so it's just not the iPhone X, which is pretty cool. And I hope this helps people. If you're new to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button. To my existing subscribers, woo! Let's build a big BWoody Nation. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay positive, be driven to win in life. Peace out.